It's 11 o'clock and I am finally getting to wash my hair. I have just been preoccupied, distracted all day, but here we go. I have some Olaplex samples that I want to get into. I mentioned before we're doing no buy, so I am making use of all of my available resources. And since my hair is leaning toward more of the damage side of things, I want to go in with this Olaplex. I already have these, number 3, number 7, and number 6. We have samples of number 4 and number 5. They suggest you use, if you can see that, they suggest you use 3, 4, and 5 as part of the system for like the whole rejuvenation process. So I'm just gonna go in with that and get my hair on this repair journey. Then I love to follow up with a classic. We have the Cherosa in the pistachio and salted caramel. There is a theme going on here. I'm a vanilla gourmand girly, so that's what's up. To complement any fragrance, you better start with a fragrance oil. This is by Rosie Jane Dolce, and it has more of a vanilla ice cream scent to it. And since I'm hitting up all of my samples, I'm going to go in with the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So all of these are complimentary. And in addition to that, actually, I always like to go in, layer up, especially during the winter, with the moisturization hydration. So this is Etoile, and it is a bath and body oil. Today we're using it post bath, and this is a blend that I actually made myself, and it's called Etoile. Etoile means star en français, in French, and it has mica in it, so it's going to give you that extra glow, glitter, and glimmer. So we're just going to double these up, put this on, this, hit it with this, and then you're going to add a complimentary fragrance in addition to this to have more longer projection, so you're smelling good, so you're smelling as good as you look. I forgot to mention with Etoile, Etoile does have vanilla and gourmand notes, so it's a really nice light vanilla scent. Usually when I'm making my products, I go for more of a light projection. It's not too heavy, and that way it will complement whatever fragrance of the day you choose. So vanilla is my go-to, so that's the obvious. And then because I did so much with all the other fragrances between the Rosie Jane Dulce and the Cherosa, plus the other fragrances that are lingering from the bath, I thought I would just go in lightly with Vanilla Skin. Vanilla Skin is definitely more of a close to the skin body fragrance, so it's not doing too much. It's just gonna tie everything all in. And the dry down is amazing with the sugar crystals. Again, you're going to smell as good as you look. You're basically edible if that's what you're going for. So I'm going to start off by melting these heart-shaped Kinder Surprise chocolates. And also this is what the chocolate looks like on the inside. So here we just have a regular heart-shaped Kinder. and then you break it open and there's the good stuff. I also have this chocolate that I'm going to melt. So we have some Belgian chocolate blend, and then we have some pink chocolate and white chocolate. Before I even go in with the melted chocolate, I'm going to use a little bit of this for decor. It is edible gold foil. And this is in flakes. I'm pretty sure I bought this from Amazon. I'm just going to try to tap it in and just let it. I'm really just trying to add different things to it to make the chocolate cute. So we have these sugar crystals here. That way, when the chocolate melts, on top, you'll have this little decor. So I have some pink chocolate slightly melted on the brink of burning. So we're just going to scoop it out. Okay, this batch is a little bit better for the drizzle. Freestyle, that's cute. I think that's cute. All right, so now for the Kinder chocolate. I have these candies just to make it a little bit more festive. Wherever. I didn't mean to do that. We have some toffee bits. And then we also have some crispy rice. Oh, then I do also have this. So because we're in the middle layer, I'm not really sure how much is going to come out, but how you melt the chocolate really depends on the chocolate itself, your microwave. There are different variables. Melt the chocolate in small batches so that you avoid the bottom of the chocolate being burnt and the top is not even melted yet, which is what happened with the first melt with the pink. So I wrapped the bag in plastic just to secure and protect it while it was in the fridge. It's been in the fridge for a little less than an hour, half an hour to 45 minutes. So let's see. Just gonna gently separate the mold, pulling it outward. Just so we can keep the chocolate solid and flip it around. Alright, now the moment of truth. So you can see all the Kinder mixed in with the pink, splashes of white, and there we have the dust, which didn't really do too much with this, and then the gold foil is the perfect accent. So you can definitely see it shining through a lot better. Here, nicely frosted and blended in. The gold accents are everything. Oh, these are the pink sugar crystals, the little speckles in here. Very cute. This looks a hot mess, but I was about to clean up and I was like, you know what, I have enough chocolate to test this out. The temptation is too real. I almost forgot about the big chocolate. So here it is in the mold. Oh, I'm nervous. I placed one of the Kinder Hearts in the middle up here. Oh, I'm nervous. I don't want to be too rough. I think it's just so intricate that it's that's just making it sensitive. There we go. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? good is that? DIY chocolate. I also did sprinkle in some Rice Krispies and toffee bits into the center of this. It's too cute. I don't want to even. All right, let's test this one out. Should I just bite into it? You can see some of the Rice Krispies peeking there. Okay. And there you go. That's the Kinder. I put the solid Kinder chocolate at the bottom. And the toffee is actually just throughout, and a sprinkle of Rice Krispies. I can taste it, but you can't necessarily see it, but it's really good. There's a better close-up. See how quickly it's melting in my hand? It's chocolate, what do you expect?